am going to explain swapping of two variables. For suppose if we have a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 30. How to swap the contents of a and b, different variables? That means the output should be b is equal to 20 and a is equal to 30. To understand this concept, let us take a live demo. Let this glass be A, which stores orange building blocks, and let it be B, which stores green building blocks. For suppose if I want to transfer the contents of A into B and B into A, that means swapping of A and B two variables. So it is impossible without any third variable. So I am taking a temporary glass or a temporary variable. First, initially we will transfer the contents of A into temporary variables. Now, the contents of B to A. Finally, the orange building blocks to B. So therefore, before we have orange building blocks in A, green building blocks in B. But after swapping using this temporary variable, the contents are being swapped. Coming back to the logic of swapping of two variables. In the previous live demo, I have taken a temporary glass. Let it be temp. Initially, I have transferred the contents of A variable to temp. So temp is equal to A. And after that, A is equal to B. The contents of B are transferred to A. Now, finally, B is equal to 10. All the variables in temporary variable are being stored in B. Finally, the output will be B is equal to 20 and A is equal to 30. With the previous logic in C language, C++ and Java, we write temp is equal to A is equal to B and B is equal to temp. Finally, the contents of A comma B are transferred to B comma A. But whereas in Python, without taking this temporary variable, directly we can write A comma B is equal to B comma A. Finally, the output will be swapped. That means the contents of B contains A value and A value contains the B value. Now let us consider arrays. For suppose if we want to transfer the contents of second index with fifth index, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The contents of second index are 3 value and the contents of fifth index are 4 value. For suppose if we want to swap the contents of 2 and 5. In C and C++, the same old procedure, temp is equal to A of 2. A is name of the array. A of 2 is equal to fifth index value and the fifth index value must be stored with temporary value. And whereas coming to Java, there is an inbuilt predefined function called as swap. So in order to execute that swap, we should import java.util.star. In util package, we have collections class. In collections class, we will be having this swap function. This swap function consists of 3 parameters. The first parameter is name of the array, that is A, and the second position is index of first element, and the third parameter is index of second element. So after this function has been executed, the contents of second index is stored with fifth index value and fifth index value contents are stored with second index value. This is in case of Java. If it is the case of Python, simple, A of 2 comma A of A of 5 is equal to A of 5 comma A of 2. So this is in the case of Python. In this video, I have explained you the concept of swapping in the case of individual variables to individual variables as well as an array, the values inside array. Thank you.